Hey Lauren, this is a quick demo video for you late at night for your 7 chambers Acolyte here that I've got. I'm going to try not to make this light reflect too much so that I can show you what's going on with this saber, but I did post a few pictures and send them to you. I know you saw, but just for the demo video purposes, here's your Etch. You were wanting a Filipino theme on this Etch, so what I did was incorporated the sun and stars from the flag like you asked me to do on the shroud, and then I kind of did my own thing on the rest. Looked up different patterns and tribal designs for the anything Filipino, and there was a lot to choose from. There's just some beautiful artwork out there, so I incorporated it the best that I could on your hilt. And then I also put your name right here on the pummel cap ring. I don't know if you can see it here in the light. Loren, Brian, you took right there. So that's the outside Etch. Came out pretty nice. I did give you a removable battery system, so you just unscrew this guy right here. A lot of threads on this guy. Comes out just like that. You do have a 24mm bass speaker in here because that's all that will fit into this guy, but it sounds really good. And you got your battery compartment right here. There's no positive and negative put into the chassis, but your spring is always your negative side. So just remember that. Never put the battery in backwards. Negative goes towards your spring. And then you do have access to your board right up in there. I don't know if you could see it from there or not. Yeah, you can barely see it, but you can get to your board from there. This is a completely removable chassis. The only thing holding this guy in place is this set screw right here that holds the whole chassis in place. So if you ever wanted to take this out, you'd of course loosen that set screw, and then this button right here, unscrew the whole assembly and pull it out, and then you can pull the entire thing out. The only thing you're going to want to watch out for is your auxiliary switch down here. This guy is it's in the shape of a T, so it goes inside and then pops out through the hole like that, and then the top T section stays inside the hilt while you slide this chassis in, and then it locks itself. The chassis locks this in place. This can be difficult to put back when you're having to reach that far down in there with a pair of tweezers, is how I did it. I did it a few times just to familiarize myself with it, but it is a pain. So if you take it out, take the chassis out, try your best maybe to hold it upright like this and let gravity keep that button down for you so you don't have to mess with that. But anyways, that's how you would take that out. I will be sending this battery with you. Just slap your battery in real quick. Negative to the spring.
I told you. Die.
So I put the sound fonts on here that you wanted me to put. I believe you sent me 3 of them. So top button right here is your activation. Bottom button is your auxiliary. Get your stock NeoPixels in there. Change sound fonts when it's off. Hold the auxiliary button down.
Sound bank selection.
You want me to put the hammer down?
Exit menu.
You want me to put the hammer down? Dangerous.
So I'll cycle through the sound fonts you gave me, then just hold the button down when you find one. Auxiliary again.
Sound bank selection.
Dangerous. Ironhide.
get into the stock fonts that are on here already.
Sound bank selection.
Ready. Revolt.
Youngling.
This is General Kenobi. Goodness, you're not one to trifle with, are you? I have a bad feeling about this. Let negotiations begin.
There you got smooth sway.
You're wasting your time.
Now you do have a blade retention screw right here. It's an 8/32. Just gotta find a Allen key. I'll slap a blade in here real quick so that you can see that that's working too. I got my trusty test blade. This does take a 1-inch blade. Just like that.
Our guests have arrived.
Tap your auxiliary for blaster deflex. Hold for blade lockup. Then to change color while the, let's change effects first. Change effects while the blade's on. Hold down the aux and twist your wrist, but then keep the button held down.
Spectrum.
Keep it held down.
Blade profile.
And you can let go. And now from blade profiles, you can just twist the hilt until you find something that you like. I'm going to try to land on a fairly solid color, and then so that we can change colors. Hold down the aux, twist your wrist, and then let go.
Spectrum.
Just like that. Now we can twist our hilt again to find a color that you like. I'm going to stop with red and just tap a button.
This is the last time Cody takes a day off.
Sound bank selection.
This is General Kenobi.
And that's it, sir. We'll just stop at General Kenobi.
Goodness, you're not one to trifle with, are you?
So everything is working. Removable battery, Etch, CFX. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.